Welcome to the final part of building the quiz game. In this episode, we're going to focus on animations. To create animations, we need the animation and animator windows. So let's go ahead and add them. To create an animation, it's very simple. In the hierarchy window, select the top box game object. Then, in the animation window, click Create. Choose the Animations folder, give the animation a name, and click Save. Now, move the up box outside of the camera view, and then press the record button. Now, at frame 0, make a very small movement so that the initial position of the up box is recorded. Now, drag the timeline indicator to frame 30, then move the up box back to its original position, and finally turn off the record button. As you can see, the animation is playing in a loop, and we don't want that. To disable looping, go to the Animations folder, select the Upbox animation, and in the inspector, uncheck loop time so it no longer plays in a loop. That's how easily we created an animation for the top box. Now, let's move on to creating animations for the other parts. Follow along with me. And now we've also created animations for the store and start new game buttons. Go ahead and run the game so we can watch the animations together. We created very simple animations, but even with this simplicity, our game has become much more engaging. Now, let's create a few animations for the new game scene as well. Follow along with me. As you can see, we've created 2 more animations for the new game scene. Now, we're approaching the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this complete quiz game course, we'd be happy if you subscribe to our channel. This isn't the only course we plan to make. Soon, we'll release new courses on games like word-based games such as Words of Wonders, games like Die Again, and adventure games like Limbo. So don't forget to follow us.